What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Guys, you guys can probably already tell off the bat. Let me know how the camera quality is. I tried all these new settings on my camera, and we're just gonna see how it is. If this vlog comes out with bad quality, I'm sorry, but I think it's really good. We changed it to 4K, so it should be better. And I also messed with some settings that made it look more like cinematic. So hopefully the vlog looks good. What the heck? The candy stuck in here. Bro, I literally got candy everywhere. But yeah, comment down below, what do you guys think about the new camera quality? Let me know if it's good or not. I also gotta get a new lens. We might do that today if it's not too late. I don't feel like buying a new lens. It sucks, it's like unnecessary money, but camera stuff is like an investment for me. It's my business, this is how I make my money, so I gotta do it. I don't know how this lens broke. It even makes a weird noise or even stops recording sometimes in the middle of a clip, so that's not good. I do not want to miss an opportunity or miss a shot. That would be all bad. So we're probably gonna go to the camera store maybe if we can make it. Oh my god, this car is so low. Literally scraped the exhaust over speed bumps. Right now we're gonna meet up with the homie Kevin. Then we're gonna cruise down to the homie Ariz's house where he's gonna actually make me a new key for the F80, guys. My boy Ariz does a bunch of coding for BMWs. He's actually the one who did the full screen CarPlay on my car. But he's super tech savvy. He knows everything about BMW coding. And he just recently found out how to make new keys. Like, it's gonna scrape the exhaust, watch. Oh my god, my exhaust, bro. Dude, I literally can't even go over speed bumps, guys. But anyways, Ariz found out how to program the G80 key to the F80 model. So we're gonna update my key now. I'm super excited, which is perfect timing because I literally just had a code come on my car that said I need a new battery for my key fob. So might as well change out the whole key. What the heck? Look at this, guys. No way, there's the Austin Yellow F80 just chilling here. Literally David's old car. So sad, guys. David's car is gone, bro. Well, hopefully he comes out with something better. Let's go meet up with Kevin and then head to Ariz's house and get the new key. Let's go. There's Kevin. Bro, low-key, the 4K does look pretty good. Not gonna lie. This camera's always done 4K. I just never done it because it takes up a lot of memory.
My tires are done.
That's good.
It's done.
Let's go mess them up more.
Hashtag let Nick drift it.
Let me. I still want to drift this car, guys. I told him before he gets those new tires. Ref boys, you're gonna get another ticket. Did you figure out what you had to do with it? Fix the ticket?
I think so. Come with me. Take me in your car.
Hell no.
Go in your car, G.
Pull up to the police station in my M3, imagine.
Oh my.
Damn, this is what we're doing.
Rich.
G80.
Yes.
I'm about to buy a G80 today. Yes. Clickbait. I'm just kidding.
Yes.
Turning my F80 into a G80. That's how I'm gonna clickbait it.
Oh my god. Bro. How'd you know?
Bro!
Oh.
My door!
See that?
Did you hear it? Well, that was bad. Oh my god, my car's probably almost... But yeah, look, these are the old F80 keys. I'm about to turn into one of these new ones.
I remember when I had that years ago.
Rich? G80 key. But yeah, it's gonna be way better. And the other day, I just got the notification that said I need a new battery. It's already dead, so
you're gonna get a brand new battery, brand new key.
New key, new everything.
It's gonna be good.
Way better. So yeah, guys, I'm excited. You guys all know Ariz though. Ariz does all the coding on the cars. He did the full screen CarPlay and a bunch of other stuff. Damn!
Tuning, coding,
everything.
CarPlay activation, diagnostics, everything.
Yeah, he knows everything about this BMW technology, guys. He's about to code out the new key, so I'm excited, guys.
Let's do it.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
And if any of you guys want to do it, again, I'm gonna leave Ariz's Instagram right here. He does all these coding, like I said, and new keys. So if you have an F80 and want the new key,
yes,
hit him up. It's definitely worth it. Rich? I'm excited. I'll show you guys when it's done, though.
It's gonna be a process, you know? Yeah. The process.
It does take about an hour or so,
Trust the process, dude.
I trust him. I already did it to his.
I'm gonna leave Nick here with Ariz and I'm gonna go out.
Shut up, bro. We should go buy a new lens. But
Best Buy, let's go to Best Buy up the street.
This lens is still good. I'm waiting till it like completely breaks, but I don't know.
Knock it.
The struggle, guys. Hopefully my door doesn't get scratched. I know it was already too late from the first time I opened it, but
We should have did that at the beginning, right?
hopefully no more damage. It's too low, G. Alright guys, we got bad news. I actually closed the trunk, dude. So we had to unplug the battery in order to do this. But I accidentally closed the trunk with the battery unplugged. So now you can't unlock it, bro. And these cars don't have like a inside where you can like undo the seat, or else I would just climb to the seat, but you can't even do that on the F80. Now Aries is gonna try to jump start the car for me, doing extra work. Well, this is a good time to show Aries his car. I haven't seen the M4 in a long time. He bought an M5 and he still has an M4, guys. Rich. But his M4 is like fully built, upgraded turbos, upgraded intercooler, all that stuff, dude. No.
Push the button though. Push the button. Front button. Come on.
What are we gonna do? That didn't work. We tried to connect it to his car. Oh my god. We tried to connect the battery to his battery to jumpstart it, just to give it some like battery, some energy. Oh my god. Just so I could open the trunk, but still, dude. So he's gonna get kicked out of his apartment. So he's just gonna make the key and then we'll figure out this stupid problem after. I knew something like this was gonna happen, G. I told you, I said, watch my car get stranded or something. And we're in the red, and we're by a fire hydrant, so watch us get a ticket, bro. No, we do?
I got you.
This is not good, guys. And a busy ass street. We came to get some food with Kevin in the M4. My car's still over there, stuck on the street, but Eric said it's gonna take about an hour to program the new key, so we got some time to kill. I'm about to get some food at Shake Shack. This place is bomb, guys. I've said it in the vlog before, but I think Shake Shack is better than In-N-Out. I think it might be the best like fast food burger. You guys comment down below. What's the best fast food burger? The only thing is this shit's like double the price of In-N-Out. Well, look how expensive it is, guys. Just for the shake.
We're gonna get gelato after.
For real?
Yeah.
Are you for real?
Street, yeah.
If we're gonna get gelato, I'll take off the shake, G.
Yes. Jeez.
Tell me this doesn't look bomb, guys. All over In-N-Out.
No.
Bro, I swear, dude. Look at how bomb that looks. And it's so like soft too. What you get, G? A weenie?
Lime Rock soda, G.
The Lime Rock soda? No way.
Is it big? It's small.
Is it the same size, G, or no?
Make mine smaller.
Bro, I'm actually embarrassed to be here again.
They already knows by now.
We've literally been coming here, guys. I'm not even kidding. Like the past
Might as well make them an
3
offer
days,
on the
4
place,
days.
so.
We come here almost every day. I think the people know us already. I want that one. Mint. We're still just trying to kill some time because Aries is still doing the key. You think he's done? You think my car's messed up?
He called me, bro.
And then we still gotta figure out how to get in the trunk. How are we gonna get in there?
I'm gonna just drop you off and I gotta bounce.
Honestly, the 4K looks crazy. It's way better, G.
That look good?
Hell yeah.
Communication with Daddy, I'm still working on it, okay? I'll let you guys know when it's done.
Alright, perfect.
Damn, G. Thank you. Look at this one, guys. I got mint, and then I got like a chocolate and cookies one or something, and then more Oreo stuff. I don't even know. This is chocolate everything. All right, made it back to Aries' house. We got police helicopters above us, looking like GTA. But now we got Aries' M5, Kevin's M4, Nikon's M8, all the M's. And my freaking dead M3, guys. It's still not working. We still can't figure it out. I think he said he tried to plug it into the M5 and jumpstart it, but there's still not enough power source to power on the car to open the trunk. The whole battery is completely unplugged in the back. So, I mean, you would think that when the battery of another car is plugged into it, it would give it enough battery energy to open the trunk, but it's not. Never a dull moment on the Finding Nick channel, guys. With the bad luck, bro. I swear, I even told Kevin before we did this. I said, watch something happen. It's not Aries' fault. This is all my fault. I closed the freaking trunk, and I shouldn't have.
Guy is a professional coder right now too. And that would put jumper cables right to the car.
Yes. If you have power, regardless, you just put jumper cables to your car. Is your car running or no?
No, nothing. Did it like 3 times in a row already with my car, and nothing happens.
Then it has to be a jumper cable, dude. Yeah. You need to remove the back seats to get to the back.
Okay, but because it's lithium, if it's the negative is disconnected, then
I think it's because the main negative is disconnected, so when you're giving power, it doesn't have the main negative to work off of. Yeah, absolutely, IBS.
okay.
So we're gonna try to remove the back seat somehow to get in there and pull like that emergency hatch. Most cars you're able to like pull this down and drop the seats, but F80 you can't. Like you need the hatch thing is in the trunk to unlock them, to fold them. Yeah, it was supposed to be a simple key upgrade. That's it, guys, and it turned into all of this. Daniel had to show up. He brought the truck. He's gonna try to jump start it with the big old truck. See if that works, because none of the cars are working. Shout out to my boy Daniel for pulling out. He even brought a little toolbox too, just in case we have to take out the rear seats, because we might do that too. So we got power now, guys, but it wasn't unlocking for some reason, so everyone's trying to figure it out right now.
You see the lights.
Why do I have the worst luck, guys? We got the trunk open. Oh my God, that was stressful, guys. We were here for a cool minute trying to figure it out. Me and Daniel were gonna try to pull out the seats, but Eris figured it out somehow. I mean, that was all bad, guys. We were stressing for a little bit. We're not gonna do the key after all today. As soon as we disconnected the battery, that's like the first step, to disconnect the battery. I closed the trunk. Eris tried to program the key with the battery unplugged, but it just wasn't working out. And we got the trunk open, and now it just got a little late. So we're probably gonna postpone this to like another day. Maybe tomorrow night, Eris said he could probably reprogram the key, and we can get the new G80 key for the F80. But right now, I told him, don't even stress about it. It's already getting late, and I feel bad. It's my fault. I freaking closed the trunk, bro. We're gonna try to figure out what to do for the rest of the night. If we do anything, I don't even know. I'm telling you guys, the vlogs have been kind of slow and boring lately because it's just been boring. I don't know. It's just a slow time, guys. Like, there's really no content to film, no car meets going on. There is a car meet tomorrow night, but there used to be a lot of car meets, a lot of races. When I used to do a lot of the racing videos, and there just hasn't been any of that stuff, guys. So I don't know. I just really want to make good content for you guys. It's just very hard to come up with stuff to film every day, guys.
Right,
is that the light?
Let me check it out.
Can you turn it on? It works? Should I get one? Always. Oh my God.
Imagine in the club like this. Yeah. KG.
I need to get one of these, bro. Hey, that shit will make the vlogs way better, huh? Yeah, maybe I gotta invest in one of these lights.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
I'm gonna just be blinding all the homies. Little headlights. It's just so sick. But I like it better than the M4.
Yeah, I like it too.
He does too. On the
He asked me, hey, no, he asked me, he goes, so you drove an M5, how was it? And I was like, no, I did. He goes, fucking dumbass, I saw your guys' video. You guys were torturing my motor. I'm like, who? And he goes, you and Nick. And I was like, bro, no, we did. He goes, I saw it. You guys didn't even let my car breathe. I didn't even get to abuse it.
Oh my God. You guys remember when we drove Eris's car? Without him knowing, me and Kevin drove it. I know, we probably shouldn't have drove his car without his permission, but I think I did a couple pulls, but I wasn't trying to beat on him like that. He was just like, I caught you in the video. Why are you trying to lie to me? All right, guys, I'm gonna let Daniel drive the car because he knows more than I do. And I want him to hear the suspension noise because I told you guys, it's making like a little, I don't know, the color is just like clunking. The exhaust, so we can hear the clunking.
Forget to shift.
Daniel's F80 was M3. I mean M3. Daniel's F80 was a stick shift, right?
No,
Or the M4 is.
The M4 is.
The M4 is stick shift.
The M3 was DCT.
He had an F80 and an F82 at one point. Now he has the F82 and the G80 now.
Yeah.
I should have bought your F80 though. It was the Shakir orange that I want, guys. With red interior, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it was literally the perfect.
That was a great spec.
But you hear that?
Yeah. It sounds very clunky.
It sounds bad, bro. You can hear the clunking everywhere.
So your struts are low.
The struts?
Yeah.
And you saw like liquid or oil or whatever.
Yeah.
What does it leak?
So it's hydraulic fluid.
Hydraulic fluid.
Yeah. So they come packed with hydraulic fluid, so that when the shock compresses, the fluid will expand it back up.
Yeah.
And over time, mileage
sounds
and then through just hitting certain bumps or dips, you can blow your shock.
And you guys could hear it, right? I hope you guys could hear it because it sounds worse every day. Like today sounds the worst it's ever sounded.
Yeah, it's definitely getting worse, and that's the thing that right now, you're basically, you have no rebound on your shock. So it's just a spring. So you basically have no cushion.
So the only option is to buy
new coilovers.
Oh my. Which is more money.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Unfortunately it is. I mean, it could be a good thing because you can actually get something
Better
with it.
Yeah. Yeah, because these came with the car, guys. These the previous owner installed them. And they didn't sound like this when I first got it. So I don't know, maybe just me driving harder than him. I don't know. Me doing donuts all the time.
It just really depends. Like right now,
yeah, you can hear it.
Go ahead and do like a little, you know, like just test out, feel out the road. And that's just gonna be to see how the suspension feels.
But yeah, you can even like
see, so everything feels tight, so nothing feels loose.
Yeah.
It just really feels like your struts are blown
up and down.
Yeah, yeah, you have no rebound.
Yeah. I don't know, it's weird.
We'll check it out. We'll do a quick little inspection. We'll just kind of turn the wheel all the way to the left and to the right to see what we can see from both sides.
Regardless, we're probably gonna have to get new coilovers for sure.
What do you think, G? Salvage?
Pretty much.
Just get in the verdict.
Don't deny it, G. You don't have to lie. Give it to him straight, G. Salvage now.
Coilovers is salvage.
Nah, the coilovers are bad, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the suspension components, make sure that everything is timed down. The shock is leaking hydraulic fluid, so that's a sign right there.
You can see it, look. All that fluid up there, it's like leaking.
Where?
You can see it, Daniel, look.
Oh yeah,
it's all good.
Your strut's blown.
Yeah, the strut's blown for sure, guys.
Couldn't get any worse, bro.
Yeah, look at all that.
Wait, let me see.
Bro, is it all, look at all that.
Yeah.
It got worse,
the
bro.
strut's blown, yeah.
Bro, honestly, no, that looks good, bro.
Let me have your KWs.
Hell. Oh, wait. Yeah.
They come with them.
They come with it. Yeah.
Rich.
Or?
Your strut just blew. It gave out.
Yeah, we definitely gotta buy a new coilover, guys, ASAP.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.